guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be playing Monkiverse. This new game mode that I have not played in a long time. But it looks like it's just like Gang Beast. You just push people off and last one standing wins. I won last round because I haven't played. As you can see, I only have one win. So yeah. Alright, game about to start.
Oh, okay, no, it's P-A-G-U-N. Now,
alright.
now. P-A-0. Yo!
Hello.
Bro, I just want to go. Why you guys team me? That wasn't nice.
How did we
Oh
team?
god. No. Yo! Wait. Did you guys see a gray monkey right here?
Are you certain it's a fight with me who wants purple? Are you certain?
Nah, bro, I'm gonna get targeted if I do.
I don't target anybody. I'm very against targeting.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate that.
I just have, well, unless you're like...
No. No.
What? I just want to push this monkey off.
No, we both lost.
You gotta wait till they that.
Wait, no, green didn't lose. He killed me.
Winning.
Second round, let's go.
Your acts of aggression were noted.
Dude, it's just I really wanted my first ever win.
Highway.
It's alright. I didn't know it was your first win. I thought it was like your 10th.
Oh, there's a tab.
Because I'm trying to get at least top 50. I'm top 7. I'm top 80. I'm top 7.
No, guys, who wants a drink? Who wants a drink?
I'm 1,003.
Nobody wants a drink.
You take a drink.
Alright, next round. Hopefully I can win this.
Okay, those people are gonna take this. Excuse me.
Weave.
That's Western.
Oh no!
Let's get to the front of the train.
Yo, run! Oh my god, really laggy. So we should be able to kill him.
Hello there.
Fine.
Oh man.
What? I'm not trying to hurt you. Hey, what's up, bro?
Bye.
Purple.
Wait, did you kill green?
Oh,
Yeah.
hi there. Hi, how are you?
Hello, gentlemen.
If a bomb comes in here, we're cooked. No, I died again. Yeah, third game.
I have 24. How is that
And then
so
after
many
this, we're
wins?
gonna do 2 more games, and that's it.
Purple guy, we need to
Target
kill
me if
him.
you must.
We need to
Target me
kill
if you
him.
must.
No, we should.
Oh my!
Someone just
It liked my. Why do I have no gravity?
Wait, hold on. Somebody's using loud mic. Somebody's using
Oh my
Target
gosh.
me if you must. Just know.
Okay, never mind. I don't want
Wait,
to
I'm
gravity.
not gonna mute you. What's your username?
drink? You want? Okay.
Come on, I'm the master.
All right.
Yo,
Next game. I'm not gonna target you. I'm not gonna target you. No. No. Bro, why do I die way too early? Huh? What the sick? Is he good? Good. Hey, buddy. Hello, kitty. I don't think I'm good, but I'll see you guys on the 4th game. Alright, 4th game, let's go.
Dude,
You
I was getting
apologize
teamed
before
up by
attempting
2
to
people
murder
most of
me,
the entire
Purple.
round. I know, and then I
I
died.
never target people. I just go for whoever I see.
Purple, we might be playing on like different.
Yeah.
Let's say if it's just us 2 left, what are we gonna do? You have to fight.
Okay.
You can win.
Bro.
This side
I wanna go down, 'cause that way we can-
It's delicious.
Under here. No, breathe.
I'm trying. There's a lot of monsters on me.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, I was flying. Oh man, I keep on dying, but there's always next time. I mean, I did one time, but I didn't record it. It was me against. It was me against that monkey right there. Divine Nitty. Oh look, the number 1 player's back in the lobby. Wait, is that the number 1? Chill, wait. Oh, it is him. Alright. Okay, y'all shut up. Oh, he left.
That's too much.
Alright, last game, and then I'll get off.
Everybody target that guy.
He's like, oh yeah, thank. I'm sorry.
Purple.
If it makes sense.
Why I always find here, bro? Let me go. I say we target this guy first. True. Bro, what did I do, bro? What did I do? I don't know how you spawn next to us.
Oh, what?
Bro, so I can report y'all for teaming, bro. Teaming is good.
No, I lost. Let's go back. Alright, guys. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And I don't know if I'm done with that, but I'm gonna just go in here real quick. And make sure you subscribe to Elliot. He made this game, and
Oh my
I don't
God,
even know
this
what
game
that
is
is.
glitched. It literally says I have
But
1,000 bananas.
make sure you subscribe to Elliot. He has a great channel.
You
And
gay?
bye. Well, first I want to check one more thing before I leave. If you guys want to know what game this is is Monkiverse right there. It's free. You don't gotta pay. And it's open. So if you could,
I wanna get-
if your playtime is for 600, you could go into this room. You could get all of this, which is pretty sick, man.
Message of the day.
Minutes. This is minutes. There ain't no way you're waiting 600 hours, bro. How long would that
Oh, yeah, this is life. This quest 2's quest 3, and that's the one I have. But I'm gonna get a quest 3. Yes, let's go. Alright, so this is inside the VIP room, and yeah. Goodbye. Make sure you like and subscribe.